I'm going to show you how to change your email address on TikTok. If you like short tutorials about the latest apps and media, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up for more videos like it. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be logged in, and you're going to be on the Home tab. You're going to want to go to the Me tab, which is your profile icon down at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Me, open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go to the top right-hand side of the page to those three black vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. And that will open up your settings and privacy page, where in the first section you see underneath account it says manage my account. Click on manage my account. Underneath phone number it says email. You're going to want to click on email. It says need to change your email. We'll first send a verification code to your current email address. It doesn't provide it, it expects you to know, and then you go ahead and click next. Now I will say that it takes forever to get this code that they send to you, but go to the email that you have first provided to TikTok, get that code, 888957, and then it asks you for a new email address. And then it asks you to send another code to the new email address. And 892992. And there you have it. You have effectively changed your email address on TikTok. You can back out with the back arrows in the top left-hand side of the screen and then go back to your Home tab where you left off. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check out all of the great tutorials that I have on this channel and subscribe for more videos like it. Take care.